Well, this was a lovely compilation from a photographer in the U.S. here, catching the old BN colors, the original Burlington Northern color. Oh, I missed that. And Union Pacific coming just from off the bridge. You'll see it'll be like a side-by-side or slide kind of motion picture. So it's really interesting. So I made this compilation. So please enjoy UP and BN.